Getting emails into the Gmail inbox using services like Aweber can be challenging due to Gmail's advanced spam filtering and strict inbox placement algorithms. Here are a few reasons why inboxing can be difficult. Gmail's filtering system. Gmail uses sophisticated AI and machine learning to filter incoming emails. It assesses each email based on sender reputation, content, user interaction, and engagement history. Even legitimate emails may end up in the promotions or spam tab if Gmail perceives them as promotional or low value. Email content. Gmail analyzes the content of your emails, and if it detects overly promotional language, heavy use of images, or spammy keywords, it may flag your emails. Additionally, emails that include too many links or attachments can be flagged as potential spam. Sender reputation. Aweber sends emails on behalf of its customers, and the sender reputation is shared across its entire infrastructure. If other Aweber users send spammy or low-quality emails, it can negatively impact your ability to inbox with Gmail. Engagement metrics. Gmail also looks at how recipients engage with your emails. If a significant number of users don't open your emails, delete them without reading, or mark them as spam, Gmail will downgrade your sender reputation. High engagement is key to getting into the inbox. Email authentication. Proper authentication, like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, is critical. If Aweber's authentication setup or your domains is not properly configured, Gmail might flag your emails as suspicious. Warming up your IP address. When sending emails from a new IP or domain, it's important to warm up the IP gradually by increasing the number of emails sent each day. Failing to do so can cause Gmail to flag your IP as suspicious. Gmail's focus on user control. Gmail gives users more control over their inboxes, so individual user behavior, such as moving emails to the spam folder, can influence where Gmail places future emails from your address. To improve inboxing, you can focus on improving email quality, personalizing content, maintaining a clean and engaged list, and ensuring all technical authentication measures are correctly set up. 4.0